nail mail thing. I wanted to get on live, but I kept showing my address like an idiot. So this is from Skybeats. I'm gonna try to do this with one hand. This is from Skybeats. Oh, it comes like this. Skybeats says thank you. Okay. Alright, I'm trying. This is hard. Okay, this is what I got. You can then pick it. Ooh, so pretty. I love, I love, I love. Oh, I didn't know that I ordered these. I already have some of these actually. Oops. But yeah, let me open this to show you what I got. Okay, so I just wanted to do like a bunch of footage appreciating the freaking glow in the dark Hello Kitty and these stiletto nails. They are so bomb. They came out so cute. On the other hand is where I used the crystals that I got from oh my goodness, how did I forget already? I got it from Skybeats. But anyways, yeah, so that's that. This video is gonna be super quick, nothing crazy. I'm in my room right now currently doing a voiceover, so I'm sorry if it sounds shitty, and I'm sorry if I keep saying sorry, but it's like with this video, sorry. Okay, keep watching, it's almost over. I'm so sorry. Okay, again, I'm sorry. Okay, bye.
You weren't so horrible. Just enough to show you care.
At ease, darling. Honored guests. And fifth, one of the captain's many superpowers is the ability to conduct marriage. So I will now join myself in holy macaroni. Fifth, raise the ceremonial mirror. Zach, you magnificent bastard, do you take Munda to be your lawful...
Alien ships approaching, sir.
Okay, so sorry for like a lot of awkward silence throughout the video. I had to dump this information off of my current phone into a video, and I do again promise this will be the last time you see a portrait mode because it's so tiny and it's so annoying. I'm so sorry. But anyways, thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you guys stay tuned for another one. Until next time, bye.